Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jayanadip Vlogs. Today we know about IBPS Specialist Officers Exam Pattern Details. IBPS means Institute of Banking Personnel Selection conducts common recruitment process. CRP means common recruitment process for the recruitment of specialist officers in various cadres like IT, agriculture, legal, marketing, HR, and Rashtra Bhasha Adhikari, etc. in various public sector banks. The common recruitment process for specialist officers and common interview will be conducted once a year by the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. The following are the exam pattern details. Exam pattern. The common exam The examination will be conducted in 3 stages. CWE means common written examination, online examination, A preliminary examination, B main examination, C interview. A preliminary examination for the post of law officer and Rajbhasha Adhikari. Name of the tests, number of questions, maximum marks, duration. English language 50, questions 50, maximum marks 25, duration 2 hours. Reasoning, questions 50, maximum marks 50 and duration 2 hours. General awareness with special reference to banking industry, 50 questions, maximum marks 50, total 150 and maximum marks 125, duration 2 hours. For the post of IT officer, agriculture field officer, HR, personnel officer and marketing officer. Name of the tests, number of questions, maximum marks, duration. English language, number of questions 50, maximum marks 25, 2 hours. Reasoning, number of questions 50, maximum marks 50 and duration 2 hours. Quantitative aptitude, number of questions 50, maximum marks 50, total 150, maximum marks 125. And I will mention only important points. You can note it down, or else you can take screenshot, or you can download from my channel. Main examination. For the post of law officer, IT officer, agriculture field officer, HR, personnel officer and marketing officer. Name of the test, number of questions, maximum marks, duration. Profession knowledge, number of questions 60, maximum marks 60, duration 45. For the post of Rajbhasha Adhikari. Name of the test, number of questions, maximum marks, duration. Professional knowledge objective, number of questions 45, maximum marks 60, duration 30 minutes. Professional knowledge descriptive and number of questions 2 and maximum marks 60 and duration 30 minutes. And you can see here, and I will mention only important points, you can note it down. And you see here, penalty for wrong questions, application applicable to both preliminary and main examinations, you can see down. And cutoff score, online main examination, each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in the test of online main examination and also secure sufficiently high scores to be considered to be shortlisted for interview. Depending on the number of vacancies available, cutoffs will be decided and candidates will be shortlisted for interview. Prior to the completion of the interview process, scores obtained in the online main examination will not be shared with the candidates shortlisted for interview. Scores you can see here, and I will mention only important points. You can see here, interview and 40 the minimum qualifying marks in interview will not be less than 40%. 35 for SC, ST, OBC, and physically handicapped candidates, and candidates should qualify both in the online main examination and interview, and will be sufficiently high in the merit list to be shortlisted for the subsequent provisional allotment process. So friends, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe and comment, and I will meet you in the next video. Keep watching Jay Anudip Vlogs. Thank you friends.